Hi guys, this is the library management project which I implemented using ChatGPT. This is the Django REST Framework project which I implemented with the help of ChatGPT AI. Here, this is the dashboard page where we can see the charts and data of the library management system. Here we can see total books 7, total members 3, issued book 6, out of stock 1, like that we can see. And here from here we can change the background theme, light theme and dark theme. And here we can see the admin user, which is just you need to log in with your admin panel, then only here you can see the username. And there is a books. Here we can see the list of books, how many books are present in the library. So if I want to delete, like this we can able to delete, or we need to edit this, like this we can able to edit the book data. See here, updated test 35. And if you want to add any book, from here you can able to add. If you want to issue book to anyone, this is the form that you can able to issue the book. This is the out of stock, for that it is disabled. This is the users which are present in the library management. Right now there is only 3 user, for that here showing only 3 user. In every page, when I am going to other page, here you can network tab, inspect and check here. If I reload, here APIs are got called. This all API implemented with the help of REST framework. When I go into different tab, right now I'm going to activity log API got called. Here the response, you can check it out. This is the get API, request method is get. Like this you can check all the API from here. Also there is a sign in and login page also I implemented. I'm going to log out. From here you can able to log in. Here I created root user password and username, so I'm going to log in with root user. And this is the path that you can get this page, login page. From here you can able to create a, you can go log in the page and you will be redirected to dashboard. This is the activity log, which you can see the activity which are performed in the library management. I just performed, edited this book, and here got updated. This is the actions, and click next to check the other activity logs. There's a many. And issued book, here you can see all book issued. And if you want to return any book, you just click this return and enter, then status will update returned. Like this you can manage the issued book. This project just for the learning. If you want to implement a better thing, I'll give you the source code in the video description. GitHub link in the video description. You can check out and modify based on your requirement. This is the list of book and logout, and from here you can create a new user. I'm going to log in and I'll show you something. Root I got login here. After that, here you can check the profile. Right now it will only display admin profile. I did not make any changes. For that, here displaying only admin. If you log in with different user, also showing root user profile only. And if you want to change any user password from here, you can able to change the user password. Also, if you going to log out from here, and this book data will not be loading, I think so, because there is a only permission available to admin, which is I'm considering here admin as a root user. Well, that this data is displaying right now. I log in it with root user. Or if you need any help to set up this project, you just comment below in the video section, and when I look at comment, I'll reply on that. Okay, thank you for watching. And this is the code which I implemented. This all code I'll give you in the video description. First, what I'll do here, I think I'm just going to push this code. Here one command, this one, it's okay. I'm just pushing this code into GitHub repository, and I'll add you this repository in the video description. You can check out the code. Here I'm refreshing the page, and this is the project repository, and here you can see all the code present. You can set up this project and run code. If you don't know how to download this here, from here you can, if you know GitHub, then you can pull the code from here or clone this. Otherwise you can download this zip file and extract the code and you can use it. That's it.